Hello, I'm Dr. Barrett. I'm here to tell you about a Barrett Weight Management Program. This is a program that we designed after years of dealing with a lot of weight loss patients. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon here in Beverly Hills. I do a lot of weight loss patient surgeries. Okay, so after you lose weight, I do stubborn areas of liposuction or I do skin removal. And what we found is we had a lot of patients that came in, didn't quite qualify for the surgeries because they still had a lot of weight to lose. And so we definitely believe in nutrition and exercise, and we've tried that for a lot of these patients, but some needed a little extra more. And that's why we started this program that involves the use of medications, injectable medications on a weekly basis, in addition to nutritional coaching that can help accelerate your goals and get you to your goal weight, whether you're interested in getting the surgery down the road or you're just looking for the improvement in your weight. The program works by first setting up a consultation. This can be done virtually or in the office. During the consultation, we'll meet with you and we'll go over your goals. We'll send you a lab request so that you can get your labs drawn to make sure that you're a good candidate for the injections. The injections consist of compounded semaglutide or compounded tirzepatide. These are not made from the actual manufacturers of Ozempic and Mounjaro. They are compounded in pharmacies because there's a current shortage going on. That's how we are able to offer these medications to you directly. These injections can be done in the office or, depending on your location, can be shipped direct to your door. Don't worry, injections are something that a lot of people do in the home. People that have allergies, they do allergy shots, and diabetics are used to doing injections. And once you learn how to do it, you'll realize it's actually pretty simple. There are two main options for this program. The first option is a bare bones program whereby after the consultation, we'll send you out the medications for you to kind of self-track your progress over time. The next option is a more guided program where we coach you along the way and give you guidance and additional options and benefits to help you achieve your goals. Subscriptions are collected on a monthly basis. Now, this is just a brief overview. There's a lot of information that we need to go over in terms of the pros, the cons, the benefits, the risks of these types of injections, which I'll follow up in some subsequent videos, and I encourage you to start doing your own research as well. Do keep in mind that these medications are not FDA approved for weight loss. These are off-label uses of these medications. Feel free to watch more of our videos on YouTube or contact the team to find out if this program is right for you.